Growing But a light feeding every month can boost their growth. Now, let's talk about the positive impact marigolds have on the environment. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are essential for our ecosystem. Plus, marigolds are known to repel pests like nematodes and aphids, making them a natural pest control option for your garden. This means healthier plants and less reliance on chemical pesticides. On a personal level, tending to marigolds can be incredibly rewarding. Gardening has been shown to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. The act of nurturing these flowers, watching them grow, and enjoying their beauty can bring a sense of accomplishment and joy that's hard to match. So, whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, consider adding marigolds to your urban garden. They're easy to grow, beautiful to behold, and beneficial for both the environment and your own well-being. Embrace the magic of marigolds and transform your city space into a vibrant oasis.